Hi, I'm Max Mishakov, and this video is for those of you who sound like this in your NG exercise. Like something like this. It sounds weak, heady, often with break when you make a slide an octave down. And how to fix this kind of sound? At this stage, you need to lower your larynx. At this stage. Why? Because when you're just starting to hit high notes in your NG exercise or in the open vowels in your mixed voice, your voice will almost always sound like this. Because of unfamiliarity and lack of skill, you have this tension at the root of your tongue and you have a too high larynx. So therefore, at this stage, your larynx needs to be lowered. And this will teach you to relax all the tension that has appeared there. Here's the exercise. NG with the low larynx.
So first you have to learn how to lower it in a relaxed way. It sounds like yawning. Ha, ha. And then you add it to your NG exercise. Some coaches call it dopey sound, because it's dopey, like stupid sound, ha ha ha. And then you add it to your NG exercise, like You also pretend that you're tasting something, like this. So you have to sound like this. So, and then you try to hit those notes in the lowered larynx in your NG exercise, like At the same time, you have to maintain the resonance, this ringing sound, this buzzing and ringing sound, like not like this, like
no, maintain some amount of your ringing and buzzing sound, like And in this way, you will be able to make a slide an octave down without any breaks. The same thing where the exercise is ma with the low larynx, like
ma 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 ma.
So at this stage, the only thing you need is to learn how to lower your larynx in a relaxed way. And this will teach you to get rid of all the tension that has appeared there. Later on, you won't need it. But now, at this stage, you have to learn how to lower it in order to learn to relax it. So, thank you for watching. Write your questions. For individual lessons, feel free to contact me. The links are in the description below. Goodbye.